back to Avanishville. Today I'm going to be telling you guys and showing you guys how to look at the words and characters they have typed on your Google Doc. Yes, this is a Google Doc thing. I don't really use Apple's and Microsoft's alternative just because I already have a Google account and it's super easy because I just had to be in the browser to use it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So when you're on the Google homepage like this, you can see this 9-dot square, a 3x3 basically, and go down and you will find docs and you go in it. It's like this. I haven't done anything in here. So, and then you can click any of these, I guess. I just usually just click a blank document. Let's just say test document Avanishville. Okay, and now let's just type something. Hello, my name is Avanishville, and this is my YouTube channel. So you type something like this, right? Now you go to tools, right at this place. So you see this name, right? You go down and you see file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, extensions, and help. So you go to tools and then write down this whole list of things. Go to word count. And right here it shows you the amount of pages you have in this document, the amount of words. So I have written 12 words in this document so far. 62 characters and characters excluding spaces. So this is basically the letters and the punctuation, I guess. And then and there's this bottom segment which is display word count while typing. So if you don't keep on to go here to tools and just keep on doing this, you can click this and okay, and then it'll show you right here everything. It's like a sub menu. So, but you won't get distracted because it's down here, right? So you'll keep on looking, and if you want to see how many words or letters you typed, you will know. So let's see if that period counts. Yeah, that counts. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe because I am so close to my goal of 400 subs. And I found out yesterday that somebody unsubscribed. And I mean, I don't blame you. Maybe you don't like my content now, but I'm just so close. I just need 12 more subscribers. So please let me reach my goal, and please share this with your friends and family because more people can watch my videos, and that would probably be potentially more subscribers, and that will help me reach my view count goal of total of 150k views. So, but more importantly, more people can enjoy my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.